If you have employees or contractors who bill by the hour, tracking their time accurately is the only way to make sure payroll is right and your clients are billed correctly. Instead of entering hours one day at a time, QuickBooks has a weekly timesheet feature. It lets you log a full week of work on one screen, assign those hours to specific clients, and instantly mark them as billable. Let's look at how to fill it out. To start logging hours, go up to your Master Plus Create button in the top left corner. Look over at the Team column. Even if you are entering time for a vendor, you'll still find it here, and click on Weekly Timesheet. Once the page loads, look at the top left. First, use the name dropdown to select exactly whose time you are entering. Right next to that is the Select a Week dropdown. QuickBooks defaults to the current week, but you can easily click this to go back and log hours for a previous week. Now let's look at the main grid. The left side handles the job details. First, select the customer this work was for. Next, pick the specific service that was performed, like installation. Finally, if you plan to invoice the client for these hours, make sure you check the billable box right below the customer name. If you leave it unchecked, it just tracks the time for payroll without charging the client. Over on the right side, you'll enter the actual time. You'll want to enter the time in hours and minutes, like 8 o'clock for 8 hours. Just move across the days of the week and type in the time worked. Below the time boxes, there is a large notes section. This is a great place to describe exactly what was done that day, which is especially helpful if those notes will appear on the client's final invoice. Here is a massive time saver. If this employee works the exact same schedule on the exact same projects every week, look down at the bottom center of your screen. Just click Copy Last Timesheet, and QuickBooks will instantly fill out the entire grid based on their previous week. Once everything looks correct and the totals match their real-world timesheet, head down to the bottom right. You can hit Save to finish up, or click Save and New if you need to start entering time for your next employee. If this quick guide helped you speed up your time tracking, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.